Mini LED iMac Pro to launch in mid-2022. Not expected at spring event. Apple's rumored iMac Pro will launch inside the summer season in place of in the early months of the 12 months, in keeping with display analyst Ross Young. Young, who often offers accurate insight into Apple's display plans, said that he not expects the iMac Pro to launch inside the spring, and that a summer launch seems much more likely at this point. Panel shipments are expected to begin in June, and a launch could comply with in August or September. Back in December, Young said that the iMac Pro with Mini LED show become going to launch within the spring, and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman had additionally floated the machine as a possibility for a spring debut at an event it's anticipated to take region in March or April. According to Gurman, Apple's spring event will cognizance at the iPhone SE with 5G connectivity, a refreshed version of the iPad Air with an updated A-series chip, and as a minimum one new Mac powered by using Apple Silicon chips. Gurman advised that this Mac is probably either the new Mini LED iMac or the Mac Mini, and with Young's new data, it's looking like we'd see the brand new Mac Mini beforehand of the refreshed iMac if Gurman's information pans out. Rumors suggest that Apple is working on a 27-inch iMac with a view to be bought along the smaller 24-inch iMac. The new iMac will feature a Mini LED backlight. However, Young stated today that he believes it's going to have fewer Mini LED zones than are available in the Mini LED iPad Pro and MacBook Pro fashions. The 27-inch iMac is expected to peer Apple revive the iMac Pro name to distinguish the device from the 24-inch iMac and to bring it in keeping with the naming of the MacBook Pro fashions. The iMac Pro will encompass the same M1 Pro and M1 Max chips which can be within the MacBook Pro models, at the side of a refreshed layout that features slimmer black bezels and perhaps new coloration options. We have a full rundown on what to expect from the 27-inch iMac Pro coming in 2022 in our iMac Pro guide.